Welcome. Today I'm going to share a PPT on a mathematics topic that is Roman numerals. This PPT is done by Jhalak Singh of class 6. Let's learn what are Roman numerals. These all are main Roman numerals. Why we call them main Roman numerals? Let me tell you. All the Roman numerals are made of these 7 Roman numerals. I stands for 1, V for 5, X for 10, L for 50, C for 100, M for 500 and D for 1000. Let's learn how to write the Roman numerals. These all are Roman numerals. You can see how to write them, and they all are made up of that 7 Roman numerals. So, as you know, the Roman numerals are divided into 3 rules. Let's learn what are the 3 rules. Rule number 1 is rule of repetition. Rule number 2 is rule of addition. And the rule number 3 is rule of subtraction. Let's learn what is rule of repetition. When a symbol is repeated twice or thrice, its value is multiplied by 2 or 3 respectively. Let's use the diagram. Roman numeral M stands for 1000 in Hindu Arabic numerals. So, double M stands for 1000 multiplied 2, that is 2000. And triple M stands for 1000 multiplied 3, that is 3000. Symbols I, X, C and M can be repeated 3 times maximum. Hindu Arabic numeral 1 stands for I in Roman numerals. So 2 stands for 2I, 3 stands for 3I, but 4 did not stand for 4I. How we write 4? As I've shown in the second slide, that we write 4 as IV. So we cannot write 4 as 4I. As shown in the definition, we can repeat these symbols only 3 times. We cannot repeat them more than 3 times. Symbols V, L and D are never repeated. For example, that V stands for 5, L for 50 and D for 500. 5, 50 and 500 can't be repeated. Let's use diagram. Hindu Arabic numeral 10 cannot be written as double V. It is wrong. 10 is written as X. Let's learn about the rule second, that is rule of addition. If a symbol of smaller value is written to the right of a symbol of higher value, we add the smaller value to the greater value. Let's use the digits. The digit that is given is Xi. So X stands for 10 and I stands for 1. So as we can see, I is on the right of the higher value digit. So the 1 is added into 10. So what is 10 plus 1? Correct, it is 11. Let's learn about the rule number 3, that is rule of subtraction. If a symbol of smaller value is to the left of a symbol of higher value, we subtract the smaller value from the higher value. Let's use the digits. The digit that is given is XC. X means 10 and C for 100. So, as we can see that X is on the left of the higher value symbol, so the X will be minus from C, and 100 minus 10 is equal to 90. That's correct. The symbol V, L and D cannot be subtracted from any number. Let's use the digits. 95 equals to 100 minus 5. No, that is wrong. We can't write 95 as we see. We always write 95 as 90 plus 5, that is XCV. I, X and C are used to subtract because these symbols have their own 6 combination. Let's use the diagram. IV is equal to 4. So as the rule number 3, rule of subtraction, the smaller value is on the left of the higher value, so the smaller value will be subtracted from the bigger value, as shown in the equation, that is 5 minus 1, that is 4. And they have other combinations. Thank you for watching my PPT. I hope you like my PPT. Thank you.